Once upon a time, in a little village nestled between rolling hills and blooming meadows, there lived a little girl named Rosie. With her twinkling blue eyes and curly golden hair, Rosie was a radiant spirit who seemed to shine even on the cloudiest days. She lived in a cozy cottage with her grandmother, who often told her stories of faraway lands and magical creatures. Rosie was a dreamer, her imagination swirling like the butterflies that danced in the wildflowers. While other children played games of tag and hide and seek, Rosie would often be found lying in the grass, gazing at the clouds and inventing tales of heroes and heroines. She would whisper her wishes to the wind, believing that it would carry them to the stars. But what truly set Rosie apart was her heart, a heart so full of gratitude that it spilled over into every encounter she had. Every morning she would wake before dawn, peeking out her window to watch the sun rise. "Thank you, dear sun, for painting the sky with colours," she would say, her voice soft with appreciation. On her daily walks through the village, Rosie greeted everyone she passed with a warm smile and a heartfelt compliment. "Good morning, Mrs. Thompson. Your garden is the prettiest in the village," she would exclaim. Or, "Hello, Mr. Baker. Your bread smells like happiness today." Each interaction was like a sprinkle of kindness, lighting up her small corner of the world. One sunny afternoon, while exploring the meadow, Rosie stumbled upon a small, woodsy clearing where a magnificent tree stood. Its trunk was grand, its branches stretched skyward, and it was unlike anything she had seen before. As she approached, she noticed something sparkling nestled between the roots, a small, crystal pendant shaped like a star. "Oh, how beautiful!" Rosie gasped, picking it up gently. As she held it in her hand, something magical happened. The pendant glowed softly, and the tree began to shimmer as if it were alive. Suddenly, a voice, warm and gentle, floated through the air. "Thank you for your kindness, dear Rosie. Your heart is as bright as the sun, and it has awakened the magic within me." Rosie's eyes widened. "Who are you?" she asked, holding the star pendant closer. "I am the guardian of gratitude," the voice replied. "For every act of kindness you show, the world becomes a little brighter. Today, I want to gift you a special power, the ability to share your gratitude with everyone around you." Rosie's heart fluttered with joy. "How do I do that?" she inquired. "Simply wear this pendant close to your heart, and it will help you express your gratitude more deeply. Remember, gratitude can change the world, little one." With a soft rustle, the guardian disappeared, leaving Rosie in a shimmering glow of warmth. She embraced the pendant and vowed to use her new ability wisely. From that day forward, Rosie's gratitude grew even stronger. She began to write little notes of appreciation, placing them in her neighbors' mailboxes or tucking them under stones in the park for people to find. "Thank you for being kind," one read. "Your laughter makes the world brighter," said another. People began to notice the little notes, and, inspired by Rosie's spirit, they started to share their own acts of kindness. The village transformed into a sanctuary of goodwill. Bakers would share their treats, neighbors would lend a helping hand, and laughter filled the air. The magic of gratitude spread like wildfire, and as the seasons changed, the little village became known as the happiest place on earth. Each year, on the anniversary of Rosie's discovery, the villagers would gather to celebrate Gratitude Day. They would share stories, give thanks, and remind one another of the magical gift that Rosie had shared. In her heart, Rosie knew that it was not just the magic of the pendant that had caused such a beautiful change. It was the power of love and appreciation that existed within everyone. And so, as she lay on the grass, watching the clouds anew, Rosie knew that her dreams could become reality as long as there was love in the world. And with that, she closed her eyes, whispered her wishes to the wind, and let the stars guide her ever-brightening path. And so it was, with a heart full of gratitude, Rosie changed her village and created a legacy that would shine for generations to come. The end.